How to use Instagram, a beginner's guide. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use Instagram. So if you're also using Instagram for the first time, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the Instagram application. So once you have successfully downloaded and installed Instagram application, make sure you have logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So first thing what you will notice is this is your home screen where you can just scroll all the posts and see all the posts or photos or videos, reels, etc. So you'll also get a different reel section by simply tapping on this YouTube looking like icon over here. So simply tap on it and you'll be seeing and scrolling through loads of reels, and you can just click on this love button over here to like or unlike based on your choice. You can also view how much view the video has got by simply tapping on it, as well as likes. You just have to tap right under this love icon, and you can also comment from over here, and you can also share the video with your friends. You can also save the video by simply clicking on this three dot icon over here, and you can also click on this interested or not interested, so that Instagram will suggest your post based on your preference. So once you do all of that, you can also do the second thing. What you can do is you can just search in for anything you want, like videos or tags or accounts, username, just like this from over this search menu over here. So once you do that, this is the explore page where you can see the viral videos on your Instagram main page. So once you do all of that, the third thing what you can do with Instagram is you can see the notifications about how much like you have got by simply tapping on this love icon at the top. And as you can see, there are a lot of notifications popping up. You can see who liked your video, who liked your reel, or who followed you, just like that. You can also see lots of people's stories of whom you have followed. You can also put your own story from by simply pressing on this plus button over here, and you can also put your post by simply tapping on this plus button at the middle of your bottom screen, just like this. So once you do all of that, another thing what you can do is you can also view the messages and chat with people by simply tapping on this messenger looking icon, and you can finally click on this profile icon to edit your profile, just like this. To edit your bio, you can simply tap on edit profile right now and just enter your details like bio, first name, last name, and you can just post your videos. You can also add a music to it if you want by simply tapping on edit, and you can edit and customize anything you want. You can also, this is your reel section. This is the section where you will see all of the photos and videos that you have been tagged in, and this is the post where what you have shared to the people. So that was it for today, guys. That was a quick tutorial on how you can easily use the Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.